Hey everyone, welcome to Java Fever. So today we are going to install Homebrew in Mac operating system. So how can we install? We'll see the step. It will take only 2 to 3 minutes to install Homebrew. Okay. So this is the website of brew.sh. So here command is there to install the Homebrew. Okay. So I have already made one document. So we'll follow that document and we'll install quickly. So let's follow this. This is the documents which I have created to install, and this is a command I have opened. Okay, terminal. So let's copy this command. This is the first command to install. Okay, so let's copy and paste here. So provide the password and click return or enter. Okay, so now Homebrew is getting installed. So let's wait for 30 seconds, and after that we have to install these commands. Okay, so this is for Apple Silicon M1, M2, M3 and M4. Okay, and this is for the Mac Intel command. Okay, if you are using M series, then you have to use this command, and if you are using the Intel chip, then you have to use these commands. Okay, so because in M series, so it will be installed in OPT Homebrew. Okay, in your Homebrew will be installed in OPT folder, but in Intel chip it will be installed in user folder. Okay, user local bin brew. Okay, so I'm using M4, which is latest one of M series, so I'm going to use this command. Okay, controls command C and then command V, then enter. Okay, and after that this is the command. Okay, with that the before yeah, so with that this command, so the path will be set in the jet profile, and after this I have executed this command. Okay, and so let's check it got installed or not. So this is the command brew version. Okay, with the help of this command you can check Homebrew is installed in your local or not. So yeah, Homebrew dot we are getting 4.6.3. so this is the way by which we can install Homebrew quickly in your Mac operating system. I hope you understood all the steps. I will share all these steps in description. Okay, so you can use quickly, you can use and you can install Homebrew quickly. Oh, thanks for watching. If you're loving my part, please like, share and subscribe. Bye everyone.